Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm just doing the bathroom. Now, I've got my bucket of Dettol water. Bathrooms are very important to disinfect, aren't they? And this one, Dettol leaves it so fresh and smelling really yummy. Well, not yummy, but you know what I mean. Alright, so I've got my Dettol. Now, my bathroom's got a heap. Yeah, I'll just do this. I won't bore you too long. I think I've held you up too much today already. Anyway, I've got a clean dust towel now. So what I like to do, I don't know about you, but I clean my bathroom with just a damp cloth. Not so much these, but you get a sort of a dust sticking to the cloth and leaving residue. As I said, not so much with these, but I'm just in the habit now of dusting as well. So what I do, I have my dust cloth, I have my wiping cloth, and I simply go over that like that, just to get that excess dust and my hair out of the hand basin, and then just do a wipe over with this. Now, I don't know whether you can see these marks. There's like bottles and Brad splashes all over the tap. Just a quick wipe over like that. In there. And we have a clean hand basin. Oh, still got hair. That didn't work very well. Never mind. So, it's probably my hair falling out as I go. That's a habit of doing that. Okay, so, sorry I'm sniffing. It's raining here now. This weather, you can't beat it. Just don't know what tomorrow's going to do. I think we've got thunderstorms. Anyway, there's my clean hand basin in a flash. Now I'll do the rest of it. Bye.